The first question says what? The first question says that you are supposed to find out the volume of a hemisphere with radius 3.2 centimeter. Got it? And I explained you in the lecture that volume and surface area of sphere and cone will be given to you. So what you will do is you
Share the screen.
oh let me share the screen. Is it shared? I have shared the screen. It is shared.
No, sir, it's not clear.
मुझे तो नजर आ रहा है. I can see it clearly.
Yep, me too.
How many can't see the screen clearly? I have shared my screen, my dear. Okay, let me restart.
Okay, sir, it's
Okay, so calculate the volume of hemisphere with radius 3.2, and volume of hemisphere is given to you. Okay, there it is given. So, but it is a hemisphere. It's written in the bold letter. Do remember, whenever something is given in the bold letter in exam, it has some importance. Okay, you can't just neglect it. So, hemisphere volume will become what? It will be half. So, it will become 2 by 3 pi r cube. So now you are simply supposed to put in the value for this r. Is that so? So r is given to you as 3.2. So it will be 2 by 3 pi r. That is what? 3 by 2 whole cube. Now you will use your calculator to find out the value of this hemisphere volume. I hope you can calculate it. Chibita. Okay.
आपने 2/3 क्यों लिखा है?
Beta, it's a hemisphere. Hemisphere. Hemi means half. See, when you will divide by 2, pi r cube divided by 2. Divided by 2. So what it will become? 4 by 3 pi r cube, and you change it to the multiplication side, it becomes 1 by 2. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So that's why the volume of hemisphere will become what? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Is it clear? Understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move forward to the next question. Again, it's a hemisphere given, huh? And the diameter is given. So first you need to make this diameter half, and then you again, it will be 2 by 3 pi r cube because it's a hemisphere given. So I'm not going to do this question. Try it out. Okay, this is a very important question. See what it says. It says you are supposed to find a diagram shows a toy. The shape of the toy is a cone. This is a cone at the top. Okay? A cone is given over here and a hemisphere. So the toy is made using what? A cone and a hemisphere. The radius for the cone is 3 and the height is 9 on the top of the hemisphere with radius 4. Volume of the toy. So whenever the two figures, three-dimensional figures are combined together, we'll find out their areas separately. So let's find out the volume of cone using this formula. And again, a hemisphere. Keep in mind, okay? You'll find out the volume of hemisphere and you simply add them up to find out the total volume of your toy. So it will be 1 by 3 pi r squared. What is r? R is 4 whole squared times 9. This give you what? The volume of the cone plus 2 by 3. Again 2 by 3. Why? Because it's a hemisphere. And then it says times pi times r cube. And r is what? 4 cube. Is it clear? Any questions till this point? Raise your hand.
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay, shabash. Then I hope everybody is clear. It's not only few students who are saying that they are done with this. Huh? Acha. Next one. Next one again, it's a solid hemisphere given. It says the total surface area. Now, please keep these things in your mind. As I said, solid and total. Because solid hemisphere means it is what? It is also what? Has a face over here. That's why here it says total surface area. So, this total surface area of solid will be what? Total surface area of solid will be surface area of hemisphere plus a circle at the bottom, okay? Plus a circle area of a circle. ठीक है बेटा, समझ आई टोटल में? So बेटा, अब it's a very lengthy question. It's a 4-mark question. First of all, basically, it is given in the form of pi. ठीक है? So you need actually the volume of hemisphere is k pi. You are supposed to find out the value of k. Do you remember a question we did in the areas and perimeter where our sector was given and the length of arc was given and the area perimeter of area of that sector was given perimeter of the sector was given in k pi form. It's almost the same question. So first of all, using this value, we'll find out what? We'll find out the value of r. Then we'll find out the volume of hemisphere. So let's do it. बेटा आपको concept समझ आ गया? So the total surface area is 243 pi. You can raise your hand if you have any questions. Surface area of hemisphere, there it is. Surface area of hemisphere will become what? 2 pi r square. Plus area of a circle, that is pi r squared. So what do? This is 1 pi r squared. Then it will become what? 3 pi r squared, because pi r squared are the variables. 243 pi. Now this pi, as I explained it so many times, will be cancelled off. This 3 will be divided on the other side. Let me do it in this corner. So it will be 243 divided by 3 equals to r squared. So when you divide it, it basically comes out to be 81 r squared. And r comes out to be what? 9. Till this point, any questions? Till this point, any questions, beta? Mariam, you said no. Any? G. No, tell me your question, please. Ghania, please tell me.
Sir, no
No
questions.
No questions. Okay. Good. Okay. No, you got the art. So our purpose was what? To find out the value of k pi. Got it? No, we will. It's not complete right now. What we will do is, no, we will find out the volume. Volume of hemisphere is given over here. But again, it's a hemisphere. So volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, what is the r and volume is given as what? K pi equals to 2 by 3 pi and r cube. R is what? 9. And that is cube. So again, simply cut this pi and pi. Get rid of this pi whenever they are used as a variable. So it will become what? 2 by 3 times 9 cube. 9 cube, can anybody tell me? It will become 729. When you will take a cube. Okay? No, you cut this with this one. It comes out to be 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 3 3s are. And you times this with the 2, it gives you 6, it gives you 8, 486. The value of k is 486. You want to note it down? Do you want to note it? Okay. Quickly note it. I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes. Shabash. So, beta, this is a given a what? Can anyone tell me the name of this figure? It's written already there. वैसे. Again, it's a solid pyramid. Okay. Ji Seher raised your hand. Ji, what it is? It is called a solid pyramid. What it says, by the way, it says the solid pyramid is given. Calculate the total surface area of pyramid. So, beta, if you remember what I told you, surface area of pyramid. Let's have a look here. Surface area of pyramid was here. See, the base area plus the area of the shapes of the sides. ठीक है? So अब बेटा अगर आप गौर करें तो बेटा look, let's keep this thing in your mind. The net of this pyramid. ठीक है? ये आपको ज़हन में रखना है. ठीक है? Let's go back. देखिए जी. बेटा base is a squared. So basically total surface area of pyramid will be what? Area of the base. It will be area of base, that is a square, plus 4 congruent triangles on each side. This one, this one, this one, and the back one. Okay. So these are the 4 congruent triangles we have. So we have to find out the area of these triangles. Area of triangle. See, this is how you find out the total surface area of this pyramid. So area of base is very easy. It is what? 20 times 20. I'm writing it here because I have to draw a lot of things on this figure now. It is what? Area of base will be 20 times 20 plus 4 times area of triangle. That is what we studied, 1/2 base into height. Now let me explain how you'll find out the I'm sorry, how you will find out the area of this triangle. Let's find out the area of PBC. It will find out the area of triangle PBC. So beta, if you look at this triangle now, the base is given to you as 20 and the height will be this one. And it will be a 90 degree. It will be a 90 degree height, okay? Got it? अब यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है? Basically, we need to find out this. Then we'll be able to put it in our here. Base, we know it is 20. So beta, from here and now we will draw it a line from here. ये बहुत important है मेरा बेटा, समझिएगा इसको. I will upload this video on your channel, inshallah. See, this is what, if you look at this, if this is 20, this is the half. There it is the half. It becomes what? 10. And now this becomes a right angle triangle. In front of the right angle triangle, we always have is the hypotenuse. This is called the base and this is called the perpendicular. So using the Pythagoras theorem, there I'm writing it here with the red pen. What you will do is you'll find out H. This H will be what? H square equals to P square plus B square. I hope you have the idea about the Pythagoras theorem. Huh? So when I'll put in the value, it will become 8 square plus 10 square. And can anybody calculate it for me? Anybody with a calculator? I don't want to open my calculator. It will take a lot of time. 8 square root of 8 square plus 10 square. Quickly, shabash. If anybody has a calculator. Is there anybody who's calculating it? Okay. Let me calculate it for you then. It will be really difficult for me to do it here. Okay, let me do it on my calculator.
Sir, 164.
Sorry, 100 and?
64.
No, beta, you didn't took the square root. Take a square root of 164, then you will get the answer.
Sir, 12.80.
12.80. Thank you. So nice of you. बहुत शुक्रिया बेटा. 12.80. Let's round it to 12.1. So hypotenuse or this x is 12.1. Now we have all the values. Area of a triangle will be what? 1 by 2. Base will be 20, and this perpendicular or height for this triangle will be what? 12.1. So it will be 400. Now let me calculate the total area. It will be 400 for this one plus 4 times 1 by 2, base is 20 times 12.1. 400 for the square plus 4 times 1 by 2 times 20 times 12.1 it is. Ji beta, is it clear or should I explain it quickly again? Anybody who says should I explain it, raise your hand. Rania, should I explain it or you say it is understood? Say yes if it is understood. Raise your hand if you want me to explain it again. Okay, mashallah. Only 2 students. Okay. So I'm note it down, please. Okay. This is easy, but actually is the second part we have. Can anybody tell me how to do the part A? We did this before. G, raise your hand who can do the part A for me. Who can do the part A for me, please? G, who can do the part A? Mariam. G, tell me.
Sir, मैं try कर लूँ?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay. पहले वो area निकालने के लिए 2 pi r use करेंगे, तो we're gonna do theta over 360 times 2 pi r. उसके बाद we're gonna do 50.
Sure, Mariam. area of a sector was what? Come on, shabash. Area of a sector was theta by 360. Ji Zarmeen, you raise your hand. Zarmeen, good try, shabash. At least try it, okay? No problem if you're wrong. Ji Zarmeen, how you'll do it? Ji, speak up, bete. You are speaking, but I can't listen to you, I think so. Anybody else? Zarmeen, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटे. Can't listen to you. Okay, Sahar. Sahar, you raise your hand. Okay, I can't listen to you. See, area of sector is theta by 360 times pi r square. Mariam, it was pi r square. So the angle is given and the radius is given. You simply put in the values and you'll get the area of sector. Now, what does this say? The sand pit is filled with sand of depth. Depth ho ya height ho beta is the same thing. 0.3 meter. Got it? Volume. So basically क्या हो जाएगा, ये एक prism form बन जाएगी. The base will be this one and you have a height of a sand. ठीक है? So to find out the volume of this sand pit, simply what you do is you times area of sector by what? By the height or depth that is given for the sands. So it will be area of sector will be from this value and the height will be 0.3. Then you will get the answer for this one. Is it clear? Ji beta. Say yes if it is clear, then I will move forward. You can note it down. Okay. Then move to the next one then. Now I'm going to ask you a few things. And I'll nominate the person. This is we just discussed. This type of question we discussed. Okay. Again, a toy is given, but it is in a bit different form. The above one was having a cone and a hemisphere. Now this toy is having a cylinder and a hemisphere. So he's asking you to find out the volume of the toy. So Amber, G beti, good. How you'll do it? Shabash. Amber, raise the hand at the start. Good, Zainab. Amber, first you. Then Zainab, it will be your turn. G Amber beti. I can't listen to you, beta. G beta, speak up. You're not audible. I don't know why. मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. Mariam, can you speak? You spoke up a few minutes ago. Okay, just give me a second. Let me check.